Digital transformation is on every executive's agenda, but the reality is that technology alone doesn't drive sustainable change. The real differentiator is your organization's culture, how your people think, act, and adapt when faced with new digital realities. Let's start with the facts. More than 70% of digital transformation efforts underperform or fail outright. And the primary reason isn't the technology itself. It's resistance to change and a lack of cultural alignment. Culture is the operating system of your organization. If it's not updated to support digital ways of working, like agility, experimentation, and cross-functional collaboration, your investments in technology will fall short. So, what does it take to rewire culture for digital transformation? First, leaders must articulate a compelling vision that links digital initiatives to the organization's core mission and values. This isn't just about going digital. It's about how digital tools will help your teams deliver better outcomes, faster and more effectively. Second, empower your teams. Organizations with high levels of psychological safety, where employees feel safe to experiment and voice concerns, are significantly more likely to succeed in digital transformation. Encourage experimentation, reward learning from failure, and make it clear that adaptation is a shared responsibility. Third, reinforce new behaviors through visible quick wins. Celebrate teams that adopt new digital tools or processes and share their stories across the organization. This builds momentum and helps others see what's possible. Of course, rewiring culture isn't easy. Common barriers include legacy mindsets, siloed departments, and fear of job loss or irrelevance. Address these head-on by providing transparent communication, reskilling opportunities, and clear pathways for employees to grow alongside the transformation. Here's what you can do this quarter. Conduct a culture audit to identify gaps between current and desired behaviors. Launch pilot projects in areas most ready for change, using them as learning labs. Invest in leadership development focused on digital fluency and change management. Regularly measure progress, not just in terms of technology adoption, but in shifts in mindset and collaboration. Digital transformation is ultimately a human journey. The organizations that thrive are those that invest as much in culture as they do in technology. As a leader, your role is to set the vision, empower your teams, and model the behaviors you want to see. Are you ready to lead your organization through both digital and cultural transformation? The future belongs to those who can do both.